Welcome to today's educational video on the basics of edge computing. In our increasingly connected world, understanding how data processing is evolving at the network's edge is crucial for anyone interested in modern technology. Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the sources of data, rather than relying on a central location that may be thousands of miles away. Think of it as moving the brain closer to the sensors, instead of sending everything back to a distant data center. Traditional cloud computing processes data in centralized servers, often far from where the data originates. Edge computing changes this by processing data locally on devices like smartphones, IoT sensors, or dedicated edge servers. This proximity dramatically reduces latency, the time it takes for data to travel and be processed. The key benefits are compelling. First, reduced latency enables real-time applications like autonomous vehicles, which need split-second decision-making. Second, improved bandwidth efficiency, since less data needs to travel to distant servers. Third, enhanced privacy and security, as sensitive data can be processed locally. Fourth, better reliability, since edge devices can operate independently if network connections fail. Real-world applications are everywhere. Smart cities use edge computing for traffic management systems that respond instantly to changing conditions. Manufacturing plants employ edge devices for predictive maintenance, analyzing machine data in real time. Retail stores use edge computing for inventory management and personalized customer experiences. Healthcare facilities rely on edge processing for medical devices that require immediate response times. The technology works through a hierarchical structure. At the device level, smartphones and IoT sensors perform basic processing. Edge servers, located in cell towers or local facilities, handle more complex tasks. Finally, cloud data centers manage long-term storage and advanced analytics. Current challenges include managing distributed infrastructure, ensuring security across multiple locations, and standardizing edge computing protocols. However, with 5G networks expanding globally and IoT devices proliferating, edge computing is becoming essential infrastructure. By 2024, edge computing has matured significantly, with major tech companies investing billions in edge infrastructure and new use cases emerging in augmented reality, smart manufacturing, and autonomous systems. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.